3, 2, 1.
What digit are St. Helena phone numbers prefixed with? The answer is A, 2. To attach wood and fill in gaps at the same time, how would you do this? The answer is A. Use nails to attach and fill in holes. What makes something a carnivore? How would you do this? The answer is A. They eat only plants. What type of person is the narrator reviewing? The answer is A. They re-reviewing an author. How would the narrator judge the person they are talking to? The answer is C. They would deem them forgetful. Why did Edna jump in the water? The answer is D. Someone was drowning in the pool. When did fighting between Palestinians and the Lebanese stop? The answer is C. 1983. At the beginning of the N**A**S**H episode Blood Brothers, Potter tells Father Mulcahy that someone will visit the father in 2 days. Who does Potter say is coming? The answer is D. Cardinal Reardon. Why did Nicole not have anything to do? The answer is A. Her practice was not taking place. Child, how would you do this? The answer is A. Can find a leaf. Who might the girls have been? The answer is B. Pets of the narrator. How can I protect a board from burn marks while etching? How would you do this? The answer is A. Cover both sides of the board with tape. In 1844, how many Aborigines resident in squalid camps in Melbourne? The answer is B. 675. Which of these is not an ingredient in Yorkshire pudding? The answer is C. Chocolate. What are the people probably eating? The answer is A. They are eating pizza. Which wedding anniversary is celebrated internationally as the Diamond Wedding Anniversary or Diamond Wedding Day? The answer is A. 60th anniversary. What may happen if he shaved again? The answer is C. He may get scolded by an impatient woman. What type of living arrangement does the narrator have? The answer is C. It is very Spartan. How many times has KU been one of the last 4 teams competing at the National Debate Championships? The answer is C. 12. When did the USAF stop appointing warrant officers? The answer is C, 1959. What might have happened to the water from the aquifer? The answer is B, they might have overpumped and dried it out. What may have been your reason for getting your blood drawn? The answer is C, it was for a diagnostic test. To freshen up an old dishwasher, how would you do this? The answer is A, run a cycle with a cup of vinegar on the top rack. A large, blue wave is seen. The title What Happens Next? The answer is C, appears over the wave. When did Jay Berwanger win the Maynard Trophy? The answer is B, 1935. When was the Ministry of Defense founded? The answer is C, 1992. What type of item is being sold? The answer is D, none of the above choices. Where can I store my books? How would you do this? The answer is A, you can store them in your chimney. Which of the following cranial nerves is related to the sense of smell? The answer is C, olfactory. Alexis from the Surreal Life 6 belongs to which famous acting family? The answer is B, Arquette. What tools do you need to solder? How would you do this? The answer is A, you need a solder iron, copper wire, and flux. Lymph capillaries collect fluid that leaks out of what? The answer is A, blood capillaries. Animal wastes contain bacteria that make organisms sick. These wastes are often washed into water supplies by storms. How might a pet owner prevent these bacteria from polluting water supplies? The answer is C, bag the pet waste and throw it in the trash. Which of the following animals does not symbolize one of the 4 Hogwarts houses described in the Harry Potter series of books? The answer is D, panda. In what year did the Brooklyn Bridge cease to be the world's longest suspension bridge?
The answer is A, 1903.
What nationality were the immigrants that brought versions of the Halloween tradition to North America during the 1840s? The answer is A, Irish. What disease is characterized by a body's inability to properly metabolize glucose? The answer is C, diabetes. What may happen after Mama tells me that we should love one another? The answer is B, I may give my family hugs every day. Why will the writer have a little extra time? The answer is D. The coming weekend is an extra day longer. In what year was Bush Intercontinental named a model by U.S. Customs? The answer is B. 2007. How many musicians, at most, could make up a chamber ensemble during the classical period? The answer is A. 10. Which instrument would be best to measure the volume of a liquid? The answer is D. A graduated cylinder. When was the first Bulgarian Empire founded? The answer is D. 681. To prepare an onion for cooking, how would you do this? The answer is A. Rinse the onion in cold water before you cut it. In which year was Breakfast TV first broadcast on the BBC? The answer is C. 1983. Why may driving conditions have worsened? The answer is D. The road is wet. A man is skiing down a snow-covered hill. He is holding on to the camera and speeding down the snow quickly. What happens next? The answer is C. Is completely decked out in protective ski gear. Anna's brother took his avuncular duties very seriously. He taught her children how to read, write, and speak German. What does avuncular mean? The answer is A. Adjective of an uncle. How is she feeling at her party? The answer is C. She was feeling horrible. What may be the reason for getting rid of their stuff?